Chicago, nigga.
Tried calling y'all by name, but shit, it wasn't.
What you say about me?
Nothing, man. Just talking shit.
You my name in the street. My name is my name.
What's good, YouTube? Shit, I was just making a run and I was bagging up. Something felt crazy, like something, like the wheel wobbled or something crazy. I didn't think nothing of it came home. Luckily, I made it home because, like a ball joint about to pop out this morning. Look at all that room. So, I'm about to go ahead and change that real quick, man. And this is what I do. I'm about to straighten this wheel out. I ain't gonna use no spray paint. I might, but I might not. I spray or tape right there so I know when I screwed up new one on, it's gonna be right there. And then to keep the wheel straight, I take the belt, the seat belt, and I wrap it around the steering wheel to hold it to get so the alignment don't be way off, you know. Don't need all that. So if I can ever find what I did with the keys, we're gonna go ahead and do this. And I'm doing mine with the, I ain't even taking my wheels off. I'm gonna show you all that. It's just so high. I ain't gotta do all that, man. So y'all stay tuned for that. Show y'all how I get in. Yeah, I'm about to, about to do that real quick. Y'all stay tuned, man. Knock this out real quick. All right, YouTube. This is how I do mine. Hold on. So, I wrap my seatbelt. I hate this phone, it's so dark. I wrap my phone around, I wrap my seatbelt around the steering wheel. Gotta tilt it down in order for it to really stay. And I just bag up. Get that bad boy tight as possible to hold it. You know what I'm saying? Gotta make sure the wheel's straight. So I don't like how the wheel look. So I gotta hold it a little bit while I film. Let's see if I can deal with that. Yep, this sound look good to me. So we go around the other side, YouTube. See, I don't like how this one's toed out. Toed out a little bit. So we gotta play with that for a minute, man. Play with that, and then we'll get it. So I'm gonna cut y'all right back on. All right, YouTube. I got it where I wanted it. Straight, even. So, and I got it wrapped around the steering wheel, like I said. So now I have to bust them down like a $2 hooker on the street, and then bust it down. So I'm gonna get to it, trying to get my fan together. It's hot in the motherfucker. Shit, I gotta be rolling though. Yep, so let me go ahead and knock this out, get this cotter pin out, find out what size nut that is, and get to it. Also, YouTube, forgot to show y'all, let's see if I can show y'all from here. See, I got it sprayed, so I know how far, twist I need, but I am gonna put some tape around it, but just in case that tape fails, you know, it's already marked with the silver. So that's the way I do it. Don't know if it's right, But I'm letting you know that's how I do it. And I'm getting down and busy with it like that. Ain't failed me yet, so it is what it is. Alright. Alright, YouTube, just like that. So, I'm about to bust this down real quick and get the new one on. Alright. Alright, YouTube, got it off. Look at that mark I made. So we good on that. Let's screw the other one on. Bam. Alright. We good. Late night, man, and motherfuckers pulling up on me and shit. Had to open the door. I barely had the door open and shit. Fuck, I ain't got time for this shit. I'm trying to finish my shit. Damn it. Don't you see the sign say closed? No, I'm bullshitting, but shit, he did just, barely had the fucking door open. Man, I seen lights. Been trying to catch you. Alright, man. But shit, let me finish this shit. Only thing I do is get the ball joint down up in there, man. Yeah. Alright, YouTube, I just turned the wheel so I can get a better view for y'all. But, let's see. Got it on. Right at the mark. Right where I marked it at. Got it on. So we're going to do the other side in a minute. Late on the day. I don't know, it's still raining. It's still raining. Gotta hit the car wash, goddammit. No, I'm playing. They lucky they closed. But, yeah. This is the side that's fucked up, so. But I'm gonna change the other one in a minute. Probably late on the night. So I just wanted to show y'all that, man. That's how I do it. Don't know if it's right. Don't know if it's wrong. How many foot-pounds of torque I put? I tightened that motherfucker until I couldn't tighten no more. That's how much pounds of torque. I mean, what I did. That's how I do my shit. I don't need no torque wrench like that, man. Unless it's some motor work. Bolts and all that. Just tighten that shit, man. Break it, break. Come loose, tighten it back up. Damn it. Shit ain't nothing but parts. Ain't nothing but a car. Fuck it. Alright, YouTube. Let me go on and hit a block or something so I can test this out.